is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Messages transmitted at the request of the United States government. A foreign invasion has begun in the northeastern United States. At 10:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, several Russian fighter planes attacked several targets, including the cities of, but not limited to, Boston, Portland, New York City, Trenton, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, and Scranton. The North American Aerospace Defense Command reports that a second and much larger wave of Russian fighter planes and bombers is inbound. The United States Air Force has been dispatched to intercept the incoming Russians, while the National Guard is working on those already in the United States. All residents in the northeastern United States should shelter in place now. All other Americans should remain vigilant and be prepared to seek shelter or evacuate at any time. Remember to keep all necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing for a few days, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Remember, in the event that you lose power, tune your battery-powered radio to 770 amp for information during this emergency. The President is currently being taken to safe shelter and is expected to speak within the next few hours. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All cable and broadcast systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNED. We will continue to serve the Wilkes-Barre-Scranton area. If you are not in this local area, tune to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Wilkes-Barre-Scranton area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. An emergency action notification remains in effect. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. As of 10:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a portion of the Russian fighters over the Northeast were defeated by the National Guard. However, the second wave has arrived, despite an attempt by the Air Force to shoot them down. The second wave is targeting the following cities: Miami, Atlanta, Richmond, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Cleveland, Lexington, Nashville, and Dallas. The bombers are carrying nuclear weapons, which can produce fallout. If you are in or near the listed cities, set a fallout shelter now. If you cannot find one, the National Guard will lead you to one. Do not try to take on any Russian fighters. You risk your life. If you do so, the National Guard is working to take care of the situation. Only emerge from your fallout shelter if you have been given clearance from the proper authorities. To do so, remember to take a battery-powered radio with you, along with all necessary supplies. Tune to 770 AM for more information during your stay in the shelter. Stand by for this message.